Hello, this is Lori Lytle with Mortgage Code Support, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to key in an FHA loan. June 3rd, 2013, FHA has provided some new guidelines for the MI calculation, one of them being that if you have a loan of 3.5% down payment, you will have to carry MI for the life of the loan. So I'll be able to show you how to create an FHA in Edge. So I went ahead and I opened the report, and I'm in the first screen of my products right down here. What I first want to do is key in a title, FHA 30 year. If you're doing a refinance, you want to go ahead and mark the box yes for refi. I'm going to do a purchase, and we're going to go ahead and keep it as a no. Coming down, you have your product templates. If you have a product template, go ahead and choose it, but I want to do this particular file from scratch, so I'm not going to choose a product template, but go directly to my purchase price. So I'm going to go ahead and key in $250,000. You can key in the down payment as a dollar amount, or press this percent key and now you can key it in as a percentage. So I'm going to put in my 3.5% down, and you'll see how the system calculated the down payment as well as the new base loan amount. Now all I have to do is key in my interest rate as well as the term of my loan. And the one thing I did not do that I want to bring your attention to is this loan a VA FHA program? I want to mark that as a yes, and I'm going to continue onward. What this yes is doing is when I go into my fee screens, it provided the upfront MIP field right here. If I had marked a no, this field would not display. So again, just like the down payment field, you can enter the dollar amount or the percentage, and you can key it in as a percentage field. So I put in my upfront MI, and then you also have this box that appears down below once you put in the MI factor. So if you want to add that MI to the loan amount, have that box marked, and it will go ahead and take this amount and add it to that base loan amount. The next you would want to do is enter your fees. You can either enter them as a lump sum, or you can use your closing cost details. And if you have fee templates set up, you can go ahead and grab your fee template, make any kind of changes that you want to be able to that you need to make on this particular file. So let's go ahead and put $650 in here, and I'm going to put $1250. This fee template is pretty much short. I just want to be able to show you how this process works. We do have a video tutorial that will go ahead and show you how to create the fee templates. So you go ahead and look at one of those video tutorials if you haven't done so already. So at this, once I'm done with my fees, always make sure that you apply to loan, and then it totals all the APR fees, prepaid escrows, and non-APR fees, and puts them in this front screen here. If you have points, you can use a percentage field on points, and I also want to key in my per diem interest days. In this particular case, I'm quoting 15 days, and if you hover your mouse over that field, it will also show you the dollar amount. Also, if I click on my closing cost details, my per diem interest also displays in this screen here too. So let's press cancel, and I'm back to my screen. So now that I've done with my fees, we advance along to our monthly costs. So you could go ahead again, either key in your hazard amount as a dollar, or click the percentage button and you have the percentage field. Either if, since this is a purchase, I'm just providing an estimate, and these are the estimates in California that we use. So I went ahead and put those figures in with the dollar amounts that will calculate by the system. So now this is where the MI change comes. So in this lower section here, we want to click on the percentage, and for a 3.5% down, the MI factor is 1.35. So if I key that amount in, the dollar amount displays toward the right. And on all FHA loans, you want to make sure you have this box marked, and this is calculation of MI on the balance. This is per FHA guidelines, so you want to make sure you have that marked. And then this is the new area where it once was 60 months where you had to hold MI. Now it's for the life of the loan, so I'm going to put in 360 here. If you were refinancing a loan, it falls under the older rules, or if you have a loan that had a case date prior to June 3rd, you could go ahead and put that 60 in there, but in this particular case, let's go ahead and switch it back to 360. So this is how you key in the FHA for the MI, and let me show you real quick. If I'm going into my settings up here, and I go into my product templates, and you'll see here that I have an FHA template already set up. You could put in whatever description you want at the top, Your down payment, I have this one at 3.5%, as well as my term. Prepaid days, I have it defaulted as 15. But what's great on this product template, and again, we do have in the settings in our support page, or in our help button, we do have how to create a product template, so you can go in there. But I do want to show you this monthly cost, where you'll be able to default that 360 as well as your MI factor in the product templates. And it's very simple to go ahead and carry it through on your new report. Well, that's it. If you have any questions on FHA loans or need some understanding on the guidelines, you can email support@mortgagecoach.com and we'll go ahead and send that information to you. Thank you and have a good day.